Welcome to AI Workflows, the channel where you learn how to automate smarter and work faster using AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can completely change how you work in 2025. These tools are designed to save time, boost focus, and make your workflow 10 times faster. So let's get started.
Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your all-in-one
Digital assistant that helps you write, research, and plan anything in seconds. You can ask it to write blog posts, create emails, brainstorm content, or even generate code. The secret to using ChatGPT effectively is combining it with other tools like Notion and Zapier. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate your daily content ideas, then send them straight to Notion automatically using Zapier. That means your entire workflow runs by itself while you focus on the creative part. Tool number 2, Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your mind, your work, and your business all in one single place. It can summarize notes, create to-do lists, and even brainstorm ideas for you. Imagine pasting your messy meeting notes, and Notion instantly turns them into a clean checklist. You can then connect Notion with your email or Slack to automatically add tasks, saving you hours every week. Tool number 3, Google Gemini. Gemini is Google's latest AI system that works directly inside Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. It helps you write emails faster, summarize documents, and analyze data instantly. You can even use it to build AI dashboards inside Google Sheets, perfect for creators, freelancers, and data analysts. And that's it, the top 3 AI tools that will boost your productivity in 2025. Try combining them to build your own AI-powered workflow.
ChatGPT for ideas, Notion
for organization, and Gemini for automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which tool you'll start using today. This is AI Workflows, helping you automate smarter and work faster with AI. See you in the next video.